Hello and welcome to another Python tutorial. Today you will learn how to create an application with Python which can be used on any device even if it doesn't have Python. First of all, open Python. You can create whatever you want, just file new. I already created a file so I don't bore you while writing it. So I practically created a small Python script that creates a new canvas with a button which says click me, and when clicked it will print hello world. You can write whatever you want. You can even just write print hello and make it into an app, and when the app is open it will just say hello and that's it. Anyway, so I will just first you just have to save it. Whatever you want you can save it. I'm just gonna save it on the desktop. Let's just write Python app, save. Then you can just close it, create a new folder, name it whatever you name the Python script, or actually you can name it whatever. Just cut the original Python script and paste it in the folder. Now, you need to install py installer. To install that, just click the Windows button and R on the keyboard. Write in cmd and click OK. Then write pip install py installer. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to. It already says it's installed, but let me show you how it is. So I'm just gonna. Actually, no, I'm not gonna uninstall it. Anyway, just write in pip install py installer, and you're going to have py installer. After that, you need to define the path of the folder. So the easiest way is just to click up here and Ctrl+C copy, and you have to write, don't forget, very important, cd in front of the path, and then paste it. Then click enter. Now the cmd is in this folder. Now you have to write py installer, the name of your Python script. So ours is py app with a big P and big A. py app.py because it's a Python file, and then build. It doesn't matter if you close the folder or not. I'm just gonna leave it, and then click enter. Now it is creating a lot of folders. I will explain what function every folder has and everything else. It says permission denied. This can happen sometimes. If it didn't happen, well, you're lucky, but to me it happened. If it happened, then just write in py installer and then a line and a big capital F and then the name of your Python script. So py app.python, and then click enter. Now it is overwriting all the files it already created, but it didn't create an executable. If it the way you can know it works is if it says successful. So this should work now. So it says completed successfully. So that means it worked. You can close this now. Now you can see it created a lot of folders here. The executable is in the dist folder. Just click 2 times to open it. Oh, it's not in here. Oh, I know why. If you have an antivirus, I have Avast, it means that the executable was probably secured in the virus chest. The easiest way to do is just open the antivirus you have. I'm just going to go to the virus chest here, and let's see what time is it. 8:55. See, this one is, and just click restore and add exception, and then close, and you can see now it's in here. So now just click 2 times to open it, and you can see it created what its function. So just click me, and now hello world. So you can see you created an app. In the build folder here is the practically the app, and also so this app can be used on computers that don't have Python as well. So in here is practically Python, but not the app. Just some of the important files to make it work. So you can share this app to anyone, even if they don't have Python. Well, I forgot to mention this spec file. It says the Python. Look, py. It defines some stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Congratulations if you watched this. You know how to create an app, and thank you for watching.